Right now, let me show you how you can turn off and stop the automatic zoom feature on your Mac computer. So there are more things you might mean by that. If we go to the settings app, like this, part of the accessibility section, we can find the zoom feature right in here. And it's possible that you mean the keyboard shortcuts to zoom or even the trackpad or mouse gestures, right? So as you can see, there are different ways you can zoom in, for example, perform the shortcut, right? And we just go back and forth. And if you don't want that, you can just disable the zoom feature altogether from the accessibility menu. However, if you mean something a little bit different, like for example, the FaceTime video calls where you just open it up like this and you'll be able to just see yourself in here. If you mean like the camera zooming in on you, then what you need to make sure is that once you have the camera open, in the top bar, you click on the effects, like click on the camera, and make sure you disable the center stage feature. For me, it's not supported because this is like an older iMac, but you know, it's still going to be available if you have it. And if you mean that thing, then you'll definitely be able to disable the feature in here. So you'll be able to turn off the center stage and essentially stop the zooming effect on the camera. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in future uploads.